Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to English class standard 6. So 3.3 eco-friendly celebration. We are going to do pointers, that means question and answers. Let's start. Question number 1. Guess the meaning. So first is amazing, मतलब हैरत अंगेज. Celebrated, जश्न मनाना. Crackers, पटाखे. पेपर लैटन, कागज़ की लालटेन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. लिस्ट द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम ईच पैराग्राफ ऑफ द लेटर. द फर्स्ट वन इज सेलिब्रेटेड इको फ्रेंडली गणेश उत्सव इन अमेरिका. प्लानिंग to celebrate an eco-friendly Diwali. Number 3 is make a paper lantern at home. Number 4, inviting cousin to India. Number 5, Thanksgiving and Halloween in the USA. 6th is giving regards and love. Question number 3, list the festivals we celebrated, identify and important parts of their celebration. So first one is Diwali. Light and lanterns, delicious traditional snacks like chaklis, laddus and anaras. Eid ul-Fitr, namaz, that is prayer, new clothes, shirkurma. Holi, festival of colors. Christmas, prayer, decoration of Christmas tree. Independence Day, flag hosting, national anthem, distribution of chocolates, sweets, whatever you like you can write. Question number 4, quiz the teacher as shows on the page 40. You may add the following question to your quiz. So number 1 is, how do you say kandil in English? Kandil means lantern and diya means lamp. Then what is the difference between present and past? You use am and I and is with he and she. What's the opposite of kind? You can say unkind. Kaka is uncle and Kaku is auntie. So you can add as many as question you want. Question number 5, discuss the following. Which festival do we celebrate on large scale? So we celebrate Holi, Diwali, Eid ul-Fitr, Ganesh Utsav, Independence Day, Republic Day, Christmas, etc. Question number B is, choose any one festival and decide which part of the festival are eco-friendly and which are not eco-friendly. So Holi, eco-friendly, preparing tasty sweets, enjoying with family and friends. Non-eco-friendly parties, wasting water, using harmful chemical colors. C, what can we do to celebrate festivals in an eco-friendly way? We can celebrate festivals in an eco-friendly way by preparing natural colors from the natural products, like pink red color from beetroots, red color from jasmine, hibiscus, like that. Read the following sentence. We are going to make beautiful paper lantern at home. I am going to make a model of Fort Raigad. Note that phrase, we are going to, I am going to show future plans. Means if we add ing to verbs, they are mostly like future. हम future tense के लिए mostly ing use करते. See the example. Complete the following sentence meaningfully. Our teacher is going to take a test. My father is going to buy a car. My grandmother is going to make laddus. Hope you understand question and answers. Please write and note it down in your notebook. Thank you.